Jai Jagannath friends, we are continuing our study of real analysis and we have completed set theory, review of sets, and today we will begin with different concepts, and our today's topic is interval. There are two types of intervals. Intervals can be broadly classified into two types. One is finite interval and another is infinite interval. Again friends, finite interval are of four types. One is closed interval, second one is open interval, third one is left half closed interval, fourth one is right half closed interval. And the infinite intervals are: first is closed right ray, open right ray, closed left ray, and open left ray. What is an interval? Let us begin with the definition, friends. Let us first define what is an interval. An interval is a set of all real numbers which lie between any two numbers of the set. An interval is a set of all real numbers which lie between any two numbers of the set. Let us consider the examples, friend. Example, the closed intervals, they are, let us take some examples. 0, 1, second one is 0, 1, third let us take 0, infinity, fourth one 0, infinity, fifth one minus infinity, 0, sixth one minus infinity, 1, seventh one 0, 1, eighth one 0, 1. See friends, we are using different types of brackets here. We have used the parentheses or the round brackets, and here we are using the box bracket in various places. Somewhere in the left, somewhere in the right, and somewhere both sides. Here the parenthesis or the round bracket is in the both side. Here the box bracket is in both sides, and let us understand their meanings. What is a finite interval? Friends, the set of all real numbers. The set of all real numbers lying between two real numbers A and B, with A is always less than B, is called an interval. Example, see examples, friends. This first example 0, 1, and second example 0, 1, this 0, 1, and this 0, 1. These four are the examples of finite intervals. No infinity is involved here. And these 3, 4, 5, 6, you can see This goes up to infinity, and these are infinite intervals. Then let us study, friends, what are the different type of finite intervals. First one is closed interval. What is closed interval? The set A of all real numbers A such that x is an element of R and A is less than equal to x is less than equal to B. That means x lies in between A and B is called a closed interval. And this is in the real number line, friends. This is 0 and this is the real line. If this is point A and this is point B, then there are infinite many numbers in between the numbers, real numbers A and B, and this x may be anywhere inside this A and B, and therefore it is the collection of all the real numbers present in between A and B. The closed interval, this closed interval is denoted by the box bracket AB in most of the books. So friends, this is a closed interval, but this closed interval, observe friends, this is the collection of all the real numbers present in between A and B, and this also includes the endpoints A and B. This is most important to remember that the endpoints are included in the interval. And second, open interval. What is an open interval, friend? By definition, the set of, say set B, of all real numbers of B such that this is the collection of x, x is an element of R, and A is less than x is less than equal to B. It's called an open interval. So friends, we observe that A was the collection of all x's when x is an element of R and A is less than x is less than equal to B. This is the definition of closed interval. And B, the open interval, is the collection of all the x element of R. A is less than x is less than B. This is the open interval. And friends, you observe the difference between these two. What is the difference? Here less than equal sign is there. That means the x may be A and x may also be B. But here x is not equal to A. Neither x is equal to B. So x lies in between A, B, but it cannot be A or cannot be B. Here the endpoints are not included in the set, but here the endpoints are included in the set. When endpoints are also included in the set, the interval is called closed. If endpoints are not included in the set, this is known as open interval. And the open interval is noted by friends. This is the real line. This is say 0. Say this is x. This is an open interval A and B, and it is noted by the parentheses or the round brackets. Notation of open interval is A, B, and closed interval is box A, B. And there are the third type, that is the left half closed interval, and this is denoted by friend A, B. You observe this side the box bracket is used and this side the round bracket is used. This means A is included. This is the definition that the set C say is the collection of all x such that x is an element of R and A is less than equal to x is less than B. Observe friends, here x is less than x is can be equal to A. Then that means A, the endpoint A is included and therefore the box bracket is used. But here x is not equal to B, therefore B is not included in the set. And if this is the line, this is x and this is A and this is B. This is included, this is not included. B's point is not included within the set. Similarly, friends, the fourth interval is right half closed interval, and this is noted by A. B is the collection of all the x's, x element of R such that A is less than x is less than equal to B. Here see, B is included in the set but A is not included. So if this is the real line and this is x, what will be its picture? Here B is included, therefore the box bracket will be here, but here A is not included, therefore round bracket is here. This is B included, but this is A is not included. These are the four types of finite intervals, friends: the closed interval, open interval, left half closed interval, and right half closed interval. Thank you friends for watching this video.